bring in everyone.
The one on Vincent Callahan, maybe they were going to hire.
He was there a second ago. I think he's here. Okay. All right. So, Mr. Callahan, good afternoon, sir. How are you?
Hi, Judge. Good to see you. Sorry, I was in other courts this morning.
I know you're busy. That's fine. Thank you. It's good to see you.
Good to
So
see you.
you are here on Martin Gonzalez, right?
Yes, ma'am. May I address the court?
Can you hear me?
Yes, now I can hear you.
Okay. So Mr. Gonzalez was here. I marked him present and I reset it to April 26th. He was, I don't know how long you've represented him, but I think he wanted to talk to you. So you might give him a call and
Yes, ma'am. I've represented him since April last year. He's got a mental illness and he has anger issues and
okay. So you know then,
Yes,
okay.
I know.
It's not going to be a surprise. All right. Okay. I just wanted to share that with you. Okay. So April 26th it is, Mr. Callahan. Okay.
In person, you think?
Since you are here, do you want to confer with the state?
No, we've done that already and they made a decent offer and he's made a counter offer that they're not likely to accept. And we're going to be placed on the felony trial docket. Our court is next week sometime.
Oh, okay.
And we'll stand in
And
line.
then April 26th will work out okay for you, right?
Yes, whatever you say.
Okay. All right. We'll just come back on this April 26th then.
Good to see you.
It's good to see you, Mr. Callahan. You take
Bye-bye.
care.
Bye, Judge.
Have a great afternoon. Bye. Ms. Gonzalez. Hi.
Good afternoon, Judge.
I went ahead and excused your client, and I don't remember why. I think he wanted to get to work or something. Let me see, I was going to tell you what time I let him go.
I had her jump
Yeah.
back on, but if you don't need her. Oh.
Oh,
I think she
okay.
dropped off. Well,
All right.
wait a minute. She just dropped off. Oh, no, okay, I'm sorry. Okay, yeah. So I just asked her to jump back on because I wasn't sure if, what would happen if we made a plea. So
Oh,
we're both here.
okay. All right. So did you start on the paperwork already?
No, Judge, is there an ADA that I can speak with this afternoon?
Yes, there is. I'll go ahead and mark you conferring and you can go ahead and talk to Mr. King, okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right. So Mr. Larry Robinson, good afternoon, sir. Can you unmute yourself, please, sir? You're still muted. There you go.
Good, Judge. How are you doing today, ma'am?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm doing wonderful.
Good to hear. You have an attorney named Marshall White, is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so he was tied up in another court. We're still waiting for him. Do you want to wait or do you want to?
I have all day, ma'am. I am more than patient in order to resolve this in a timely fashion, ma'am.
Absolutely, I understand. This is your right, okay?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we're going to make sure that he is aware, and you might try calling him if you like. Just put yourself on.
I've already contacted Mr. White, and he's been informed. I already gave him the information in order to log into the Zoom. So
Okay.
I will be more than patient to go ahead and just wait for him and then just have the representation in the courtroom for this proceeding to continue.
Okay, all right, sure. Then I'm just going to ask you to mute yourself again so that we can proceed with our.
Yes, ma'am. How do I mute myself? You gonna send the link or something?
No, sir. There's a little thing, a little icon that looks like a microphone. I think if you press that again, you'll get muted. I'm guessing. I'm not sure.
Okay,
Yeah, you got it. All right, thanks. Okay, so at this time, who else is here? Let me see. We had some, Mr. Zachary Munoz wanted to do a plea today. I think I've got that paperwork. I'm not positive. Yeah, so, I guess he got tied up. Hopefully he'll be here shortly. And besides him, was that the only plea that you knew of, Alida?
Yes, Judge, that's the only one that Mr. Munoz announced that he was ready, but just in case they were gonna be looking for the paperwork.
Okay.
And then,
Well, the paperwork's all ready.
okay, well, very good. And on the, just in case on that Teresa Babuda, that is a no file at this point.
Okay, but that's who Ms. Gonzalez is on, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
I'm here.
I see you, ma'am. Thank you. And I
Yeah,
saw you earlier today, so I've marked you present.
Yes, ma'am. I told you I was at, I had to go to work, so I just came outside because my lawyer said it was at 1:30.
Oh, right, that's right. So actually, I'm going to suggest that you go back and go back to work. And
Okay.
because she's still waiting to get an offer from the state, and then it'll take some time to get the paperwork done. So
Okay.
if you all want,
I didn't hear her earlier.
you did not hear her earlier.
Yes, when y'all were talking, I didn't hear her. My thing
Oh.
wasn't working.
Oh, I see. Yeah, she had said that she wanted to talk to the state and see if they were going to give you a good offer, and maybe they could do the plea, or you all could do the plea. But it's actually, I'm going to ask you all to come back tomorrow or another day, because the paperwork takes a while. It's not
Okay.
that fast. So I'm going to say, I think I had told her April 26th. So we'll
Yes.
leave it at that. And I will tell her when she comes back. Okay.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right. You have a good afternoon.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right. So, Mr. Asalo, who is your attorney, sir? You got muted and your video went away. Can you turn on your video, sir? Okay. Can you unmute yourself, sir? It's just that little microphone icon. If you click on that, it should unmute you. Do you see that? Can you hear me, sir? There you go. Okay. Your lawyer was here, Mr. How do you say your last name? I know you speak Farsi, right? Maybe I'm not coming through. Okay. Mr. Aisalo, can you hear me? This is Judge Saldaña. I see if I can send a chat.
Judge, are you waiting on announcements or?
I'll be with you in 1 second. I'm just doing a chat. 1 second.
Okay, sorry about that.
Alita, can you talk to Mr. Isolo and see if there's anything that he wants to share with you as far as his information?
Yes, Judge, let me put him in a breakout room and hopefully can you hear us, sir?
Yes, now I can hear you now. So.
Oh, good. Okay, sir. Basically, your attorney was here earlier and we gave her a new court date. And I think I just gave that to you, right?
Okay.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any contact information you want to share with us? I understand that you are homeless, but is there? So can I ask you to join Ms. Castillo in a breakout room? And that way, if there's an emergency number where we can contact you, we can call that number. All right, great. All right.
I'm sorry, I'm confused.
No, it's all right, sir. You seem fine. Just Ms. Castillo is going to ask you a couple of questions, and okay, and then you will be free to leave, sir. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Okay. Ms. Gonzalez, yes, ma'am. Did you have a chance to confer?
Your Honor, if I may.
Oh, yes.
Sorry, Ms. Gonzalez. So this is actually a red file, but so I need to look into that. Also, she brought forth some mitigating evidence and other factors that I really want to review and reflect upon. So the state would ask for at least a 30-day continuance.
Okay, I think actually I had already given Ms. Gonzalez April 26. Did I just imagine that or did I actually do that?
No, you gave it to the young lady.
Oh, okay. When I excused her? Okay. That's who I gave it to. Okay, so will that work for you, Ms. Gonzalez, if we come back April 26?
Yes, Judge, that works fine. And maybe we can work out something in the meantime.
Yeah, I think so. I think communication is good, ongoing, and we can clear things up and work out the best result possible, right?
Yes, Judge.
Okay,
Thank
well,
you,
thank
Mr.
you, Ms. Gonzalez, and then you're welcome to log off. You have a great afternoon. Thank you for coming back. I know everybody's very busy right now. So
No, I appreciate your time, Judge. Thank you. Y'all have a good day.
you too. All right, so we are waiting for can't read the writing. Let's see, this is Machuca. What did I say? I said, here we go. Zachary Munoz, right? So it is 1:55 and we had thought we would start again at 1:30. I think we can just recall this. We'll wait till 2. Is there anything else that I need to address right now other than Mr. Robinson? Okay. Oh, all right, Mr. Robinson. Have you heard from Mr. White, Aleda, by any chance?
Your Honor, I think Ms. Castillo is in a breakout room with Mr. Farshad Isolo.
Okay, you're probably right. Okay. Yeah, I see that now. Well, let's wait a little bit longer and see if Mr. White comes in. So I'm just so thrilled that I had a chance to get my audio corrected.
It sounds much better, Judge.
Oh, thank you. And I'm not having to lean toward the toward the screen to hear it.
Yeah.
They're very, very nice there. I went to the Office Max at the Alamo Quarry Mall, and it's just very, very helpful and very nice about it.
Yeah, I gotta either update my phone or take it in and get it fixed. I can't figure out why I don't have cellular data. I only have Wi-Fi. It only works on Wi-Fi. It's weird.
I don't know what that's about too. I mean, I have a new phone and sometimes it keeps complaining that I need Wi-Fi and I don't really want it.
I don't either. And what I noticed was when I hit the update on the phone that I have, it's an iPhone 8, I think. But when that 5G network kicked in, when I updated my phone, like my cellular data was just gone. So I wish I just never updated it.
Oh no. Oh, bummer.
But I think it has something to do with that when they did the 5G stuff. So,
Oh yeah, I think that caused a lot of problems, but nobody ever told us. I think that's about the time that I decided to get a new phone, and I was complaining about my disk getting full all the time.
Yeah.
And then they were transferring all my stuff to my new phone. That took forever. And he explained, well, it was the 5G that was slowing everything down.
Yeah,
So.
I don't think they really thought a lot through when they did the 5G. I know I saw something on the news where they had to move a bunch of the cell phone towers farther away from the airports.
Oh my God.
Because
That's right.
It was affecting like the autopilot on the planes landing.
Right.
So that could have been a potential disaster trying to land a plane in fog or a storm if you're depending on autopilot.
Right. Yeah, I mean, I think it was a real problem, wasn't it? Real danger. Well, you've been producing a lot of work, Corey, and I'm trying to keep up with you. No, I'm very happy. Thank you.
I think a lot of it is some people are